This is pretty easy for me because my younger self has always been doing a full routine, skincare routine. Although in my 20s, I lapsed a little bit being young, tired, a new mother at 21. I kind of neglected myself a little bit and got into some bad habits. So what I would tell my younger self is to go back to the original methods, and I'm going to show you what they are right now. One of the most important things I do is I double cleanse. I'm Korean, and double cleansing has been always a big thing in our lives. And my younger self never had acne, all because I believe double cleansing. Luckily, I was exposed to a lot of Korean products young. My mom would also have her own skincare formulations that I called potions. And so I grew up with using a lot of those too. You guys are so lucky because you have the best of all products. You can easily get any kind of product you want from almost anywhere. The next lesson, or the next thing I would have told myself, is to use an antioxidant. Every day you should have an antioxidant. Today I'm going to be using vitamin C as my antioxidant, but you can use any number of different ones. So depending on your age and where you're at, make sure you're putting on an antioxidant. My vitamin C goes on after I've cleansed my skin when it's dry. I would have told myself not to be so harsh on my skin. The way that I was taught how to do skincare is to nourish and to be gentle with our skin and to keep hydrated. Hydration was a big thing. Never ever sleep with makeup on. I don't care how tired you are. I don't care that you don't have any soap. Then wash it with water. Whatever you have is better than not washing at all. I would have told my younger self to use products that were made for my skin type, and here's the important part, my skin concern. Right now, I did microneedling a couple days ago, and my skin is still healing, so I know to use healing products. I have started back up with my vitamin C's and my acids, but I am bringing them into my skincare slowly. Then the final two, and these are so important for my younger self. Use a moisturizer. Even if you have breakout or you think you have oily skin, use moisturizer. Use a moisturizer that is best suited for your skin type. And then the number one, and I know you guys hear this, and there's no excuse for you not to do this. Number one, SPF, you guys. SPF all year round. There are so many different type of SPFs now, sunscreens, that there are no more excuses. We only had like body ones when I was growing up, pretty much. And I'm sorry, they were not fun to wear on your face. And there were so many fragrances and chemicals and everything. Nowadays, you can get clean, fragrance-free, no white casts, sunscreen everywhere. So there's no excuse. Use it every day, winter, summer, spring, and fall. This is going to be your skin saver. All right, that's what I would tell my younger self. I hope I will listen this time. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'm happy to help.